Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a video about chapter 8, paragraph 1, exponential growth. This is the example I mentioned in my previous video. Here we have a formula. It's 200 times 1.05 to the power of t. As an example, I used beavers. Let's say we have 200 beavers in the Netherlands, and they do quite well. So every year there's 5% more beavers. Then the graph will look like this. I mean, it's not a straight line. You can see it just slightly goes up quicker and quicker. But because it's only 5%, it doesn't go up very quick. It starts here at 200 and then it goes up. And then here you can see how much it is. But we're not going to read it from this graph. Also, these numbers are really small, so I don't think you can see them. I'm going to show you how to calculate these two main questions that you can have when we talk about exponential growth. The first question is, how many beavers are there after 6 years? Now, the t always stands for the time. So in this case, the time is 6. Now you have to read the question carefully, because some questions are about days, some questions are about months, and my example here is about years, so we calculate it after every year. If I want to know how many beavers there are after 6 years, with your calculator, you do this. You do 200 times 1.05 to the power of 6. Now you can calculate that, and then we have 268.02 beavers. Now you can't have less than a whole beaver, so you can erase that. So it's 268 beavers after 6 years. Alright? The other question is, when are there more than 400 beavers? So now the question is, after how many years will this number be more than 400? Now what you can do is just guess which number you think it is. So for example, you might think it's after 12 years. And then you're going to calculate that. So you're going to fill that in. So 200 times 1.05 to the power of 12. And then you'll see if it's enough or not. Right? Well, it's a bit higher than 12. I already calculated this earlier. If you guess 14, right, so I'm going to guess that now. I'm going to fill it in. So let's do that. And then I still have a few beavers too few to get 400, because this was 369 beavers, so that's very close, but not yet correct. So if I fill in 15, right, so we're going to fill that in, 200 times 1.05 to the power of 15, then we get 415 beavers. So when are there more than 400 beavers? Well, if we just measure it every year, then we would say after 15 years, right? Because after 14 years, it's still not enough. Now, you can also say that it's during the 15th year at some point. You can even calculate it in per month if you want to do it that specific, right? You can do 0.1, 0.2, etc. Right? But here we can just say after 15 years. And usually a question asks, in what year is that? So for example, now it's 2020, right? And I just measured the number of beavers, and it was 200. So if I'm going to measure 15 years from now, so that will be in 2035, then I would measure this amount, right? If I just measure once per year. So this is how exponential growth works. And these are two questions that you'll see a lot in the exercises.